Ah, isn't it a nice day to be at the train station? It is nice. Oh, here's Bugs. By the way, if you want to know where we're actually going on a trip to Delaware, and we're going through the... I'm looking at the train we're taking on the sign. It's called Mickey's Holiday Express. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Hi, Bugs. Hi. How's it coming today? Ah, you knocked me over. Anyways, how's it coming today? It's coming good today, Bendy. Okay. But anyways, how was your day? My day was just fine. Hey, Bendy, I see our train coming, but not in the way you expected. What do you mean not in the way we expected? Wait, Breaking news, a train just crashed at Penn Station in Baltimore, Maryland. These are the two survivors of these are the one survivors of the train wreck. Bugs, Mr. Bugs. It was a disaster. And as you can see, my pal Bendy didn't make it. We're going to his funeral tomorrow. If you want to come, it's on Falls Road at Baltimore, Maryland at 8:30. I'll handle the time and I'll handle the money and casket. Bye. Okay, that was an abrupt interview, but here's the train that crashed. Workers like this dog are just lifting it back onto the rails. Here's the culprit of the train wreck. It's this dumb idiot duck right here. His name is Donald, I think. Don't come here! Duck! Who do you think you're talking to? That's why you crashed in the first place. Well, quack, quack. What was all that noise and why is there a train on my head? Oh my goodness. I knew this Holiday Express sounded fake. Did my friend Bugs... My friend Bugs! He survived! Hey Bendy, I thought we thought you were dead. By the way, funeral's cancelled though. We thought you were dead. You thought I was dead? I was just in a bit of trains. How do you think I would be dead? I don't know. I'm a rabbit. I'm not AI. Makes sense. It makes sense. But next time, you have to not take drastic decisions like that. I just woke up from this wreck. There's a train wreck? Oh yeah, I just recorded about it. Silly me. And who are you in the name of hell? I am... whatever, man. You mean you're a news recorder, man? Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, Bugs, let's go home. As well with my dog. Hey, Bugs, you seen Alice today? Nuh-uh. Oh, it's nice that we're all home safe and sound. Okay, that's enough. This dog gets on my nerves sometimes. Okay, Bendy. Good. Can I sleep in your bed tonight? Sure, I'll sleep on this Bible. Okay. Okay, good night, Bugs. Night. Hey, what's our dog's name again? Odie the Third. Oh. Okay, Odie the Third, turn the lights on. Okay. Can I turn the lamp off too? Yes, Odie the Third. This was Bendy saying that. Okay. Ten minutes later, inside Bendy's dream. Where am I? And why is it so dark in here? Hold on, let me turn the camera. Let me turn the lights on so the fans can see me. Okay, now what seems to be going on in our life? Let's see if Bugs is awake.